Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one.
Hello, so today I'm gonna make spicy sausage tomato pasta. Okay, so we're gonna need 1 can of tomatoes, 3 cups of pasta, 3 cups of sausages, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 3 tablespoons of oil, salt and pepper, 1 cup of onion, a tablespoon of garlic. Okay, so I have the fusilli pasta with me. You can use different kinds of pasta like spaghetti, the other long one thing. Linguine. Macaroni. Penne. Tagliatelle.
Any more?
I don't know.
Okay.
This is my can of tomatoes. I crushed it with my hand. Right now I have my sausages with me, and this sausage is the turkey sausage. You can use other kinds of sausage like hot dogs and beef.
Chicken.
Pork.
Rabbit sausage.
Whoa, no. Okay, so I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna put my onion in. It's gonna be in there for 3 minutes. Now I'll put my garlic and we'll cook it for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna put in oregano and chili powder and salt and pepper. Okay, so now we're gonna put our sausages in, and then we're gonna fry them for 4 minutes. Now we're gonna put the tomatoes and then cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna put the pasta in and we're gonna cook it for 4 minutes. All right, pasta's done. If you want, you could put some cheese on it. Okay, the pasta is done and ready to eat. Goodbye. Lots of love.